and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Election for 11 municipal councils to be held in October 2010. Electronic machines to be used for municipal elections for the first time. 33% reservation for women. Air India employees call off strike. 15 Air India employees sacked. 89 flights affected across India, including 3 from Goa. NIA reveals the name of the accused number 10 Prashant Ashtekar from Khed Ratnagiri in Madgaon blast and Sankwal case. Panjim Gymkhana win Bandorkar Trophy Cricket Tournament. Sports Authority of Goa declares assistance of 20 lakh rupees for Panjim Gymkhana renovation. And Vasco Sports Club appeal against AIFF's decision to field India junior team in next season's I-League. Now the news in detail. Elections for 11 municipal councils in Goa would be held in October. Election Commission is also planning to use electronic voting machines for the first time in the municipal elections. 33% seats in the municipalities will be reserved for women. State Election Commission has asked municipal administration to notify the delimitation work for the municipal wards. Here's a report.
There are 13 municipalities in the state, but in October elections would be held only for 11 municipalities. Pedne, Mapsa, Picholi, Walpoi, Murmugaon, Kuchere, Kankon, Kepe, Sange, Kunkoni and Madgaon municipalities will go for these elections. Final dates for polls are yet to be fixed. For Zilla Panchayat elections, which concluded in April, ballot papers were used for voting. State Election Commission is now planning to use electronic voting machines for the first time for the municipal elections. Goa State Election Commissioner P.M. Borkar in a telephonic conversation gave us details about the proposed plan for the municipal election in the month of October.
The elections for municipal councils in Goa are due in the month of October because their term is expiring in October 2010. Yes. So we have requested the Director of Municipal Administration to notify the delimitation of wards and also to go ahead with the reservation of wards of all the municipal councils.
So sir, elections would be when sir, mostly in October?
Yes, elections will be held in the month of October.
1/3 of municipal council seats are reserved for women, 12% are reserved for scheduled tribe, 2% for scheduled caste and 19.5% for OBCs. There won't be elections for Sakri and Ponda municipalities in October, whereas elections for the Corporation of City of Panji would be conducted in March 2011. With Bureau Inputs, Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
Good news for passengers who were due to travel by Air India as the strike has been called off on the second day. As many as 76 flights in both domestic and international sectors were cancelled. In all, 24 flights from Delhi, 37 from Mumbai, 6 from Kolkata, 7 from Chennai and 2 from Bangalore were cancelled. These included 3 flights from Goa's Daboli Airport. Here is a report.
20,000 employees of Air India, including engineers and ground staff, are on a flash strike since Tuesday, protesting against management's gag order. One round of talks with the management failed on Tuesday. Another one is scheduled on Wednesday. As many as 76 flights in both the domestic and international sectors have been cancelled. In all, 24 flights from Delhi, 37 from Mumbai, 6 from Kolkata, 7 from Chennai and 2 from Bangalore have been cancelled. This includes 3 flights at Daboli Airport. Sources inform that 120 passengers of Dubai-Goa-Bangalore flight are shifted to a city hotel as an interim arrangement. Days after the Mangalore tragedy in which 158 people died in an Air India plane crash, the airline is in trouble again. Thousands of Air India employees went on a flash strike on Tuesday, all because of a gag order from the management. The striking employees claim the problem began after Mangalore crash when the Air India management issued a notice to its engineers for speaking to the media. Thousands of passengers have been stranded as a result of the flight cancellation on Tuesday and Wednesday. This is the peak summer travel season and there are some destinations to which only Air India flies. The Air India management has taken a tough stand against the strike. Management says it could sack employees if they don't return to work. Meanwhile, Civil Aviation Ministry has also backed Air India management on tough action against striking employees. Government may dismiss leaders who call for the strike. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
NIA has now named accused number 10 in the charge sheet in the Madgaon blast and the Sankwal explosives case. Special Public Prosecutor S.B. Faria informs Prashant Ashtekar, a resident of Garda colony at Pier Lot from Khed in the district of Ratnagiri, has been named as the 10th accused. NIA had earlier avoided the disclosure of Prashant's name in the charge sheet. Prudent had brought this fact to light recently.
NIA charge sheet names total 11 accused. The two of this were Sadaks of Sanathan Sausta. They died on the spot. Malgunda Patil and Yogesh Naik. 4 were arrested by Goa police during investigation. Vinay Tarekar, Vinayak Patil, Dhananjay Ashtekar and Dilip Mangaokar. There was a question as to who is accused number 10 in the case. Special Public Prosecutor S.B. Faria informed Prashant Ashtekar, a resident of Garda Housing Colony at Pier Lote from Khed in district of Ratnagiri, is the accused number 10 and is named in the charge sheet. Sources say NIA had avoided the disclosure of Prashant's name in the charge sheet, but court asked for the details. 5 more are still absconding. They are numbered like this in the charge sheet. A7 Jay Prakash alias Anna, A8 Rudra Patil, A9 Sarang Kulkarni, A10 Prashant Ashtekar, A11 Prashant Zubekar. Well, the mystery would be solved only after the NIA completes this investigation and files its final charge sheet. But the agency is looking out for a much bigger conspiracy behind it. They are desperately searching for 5 more accused, including Prashant Ashtekar, to unearth the larger conspiracy. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.